Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector, and Notary. So we are turning into a Toll Brothers community. This is Parkview Place. This is close to the airport over here, and there's a sports complex like right across the street. Just want to give you a little showing of this community. Now, this community is not the normal Toll Brothers that you're probably used to, where you're thinking, you know, tile roofs, huge homes, stuff like that. This is Toll Brothers without tile roofs. The homes over here are a decent size though, but you know, not quite some of those super luxury homes that you've seen time and time again. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com, where you could always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page for its community, if it is listed on the MLS. And those pages are always updated from the MLS directly, so when it changes, you'll see a change over there as well. Okay, not getting any further here, I can tell you that. There are still some lots available in this community. If you are interested, please do contact me. You do always have to contact me first before you head over to Home Builders, so I can get you the latest information, pricing, and any incentives that I can offer. So please don't hesitate to reach out and touch base with me. And also check out many other things at my website, wintergardennew.com. like floor plans from Home Builders, information about the area in general, and you can get an estimate of what your current home is worth. The website's always being added to on a regular basis. Thank you for watching.